Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you see from the title, you know what we're preparing. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching. This was bossing, guys. Yes. Let's head straight into the video. Here we have some cow foot. I'm going to clean this with vinegar and rinse well, then season.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Prep the fresh seasoning. We have some thyme, we have scallion, we have bell pepper, we have onion, we have hot pepper, and we're going to cut these and add to our cow foot. We're also going to use some garlic cloves, and we're just going to prep these fast and we'll come back. Okay, time to prepare this. It's marinating for at least an hour. Here I have an oil and I add my sugar and I'm allowing this to caramelize so we can add our cow foot. We're going to try to avoid adding the season, so I'll add them piece by piece. Stir well, cover my pot, allow to sweat while we put water on the side of the stove, or you're using the kettle, do so this can cook. We're going to add water around 3 times. I didn't want it soft, so I rather doing it this way than in the pressure pot. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice
Okay guys,
range.
here
It's a
we're
grind
back
through the climb.
after an hour. Yes, I said an hour. Guys, if you don't want to spend this much time, please use your pressure pot. I didn't want mine smushy soft, so hence I did it this way. And here I add my season that I used to marinate. I had a can of white bean as well. I'm going to add some tomato paste, a bit of ketchup, and season to taste. Allow this to simmer, and then we can serve dinner. So if you're watching to this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Also turn your notification bell on so you will get notified for future uploads. So here I'm adding my ketchup, guys, and I said I'm going to just spice this up, adjust what need to be adjusted, and let this simmer, the sauce thicken, and we will serve dinner. So catch you at the end of the video, guys. Continue watching.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them.
This is ready to serve, guys. Look at my nice sauce. And guess what, guys? This is best the day after. From you know. So here is the finished dish, guys. Yes, it was very delicious and it's easy to follow. So big thank you to all my returning supporters, and for those of you coming for the first time, as I mentioned, please make it official by tapping the subscribe button to join the family. Put your bell on also so you won't miss another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.